So a quick demo of the wireless door chime. This is on a switch, I'll put it in this one, just plug it in, that's it. It comes with a plastic covering, you can take that off, just peel it right off. You've got this nice shiny thing, you've got a night light there. There's many different ringtones. Here they are. And I think we're back around to the beginning again. So there you go, there's a lot of them, and there's also a second button on the side here. So that's to change the ringtones, and this one is for the volume. So once it's plugged in and attached, you can see you can turn it down quite easily. And completely off, so it just flashes, which is another neat thing. Maybe you have this in a room where you don't want a sound. So loudest, 2, 3, 4, basically 5 different volume increments there. Alright, we're outside here. We want to see how far this doorbell goes. So we've got the part that you'd press, you put it on your door, or beside your door, and we've got the thing, the receiver, hooked up to an extension cord. So when you push the button, it dings. I've got my assistant here. He's going to take this and go for a walk. So let's do 30 steps. Stop, turn around, press the button, and then 30 steps more. And I'll wave you off if it ever stops beeping. Go ahead. Of course it goes that far. Let's keep going. Still going. Still going. Uh-oh. Do it one more time. All right, we got it there. It missed twice, but it got it on the third. Go a little bit further. Okay, stop. Still working. Still working. That's a long ways. That's more than half a block. Still working, clear down to the end of the block. Still working. That's a long ways. Come on back.